The Meghalaya SSA School Association today at Malki Ground has issued a deadline to the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA government to materialize their demand by September 30th, failing which they will proceed with their second phase of agitation. The president of the association, Aristotle Rimbai, while describing the plight of the SSA teachers, also informed that the second phase of the agitational program will kick-start in October in the form of mass casual leave for 2 days by all the 12,541 SSA teachers in the state. Rimbai further said that the association has been patient with the MDA government, but as 3 of their demands are still pending, they had to take to agitational programs. It may be mentioned that the 3 demands include implementation of salary structure and the enhancement of the salary of all the SSA teachers, the resolution to non-payment of salary for the months of June, July and August 2021, and creating of posts and shifting of all existing SSA teachers from State Implementation Society to State Education Department on a regular basis.
Nakaliang jong State Project Director, ulapaya ka proposal sa state government haka neutrik jong July August 2018. Sorry, kat neutrik jong July August 2018. Padula kerpa dia ka state government, kumjure ka education department, ban sim ya karai, namar ba ka di ka jingdawa jong ikalong genuine. Habang ipoden ya ka file, kumbe ito general secretary mene. Habang keren makmat kiyong ba anda proses anda lapoden lapenban la reject.
During the short protest at Malki Ground, 5 MLAs of the Congress party visited the SSA teachers and even extended their support towards them. In his address to the SSA teachers, Congress MLA of Mausanram, Hima Shangpliang, had assured the teachers that a motion will be tabled in the ongoing autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly under the subject Plight of Teachers in Meghalaya.
Isokya habang isngap ya ke jing jong kinohikai but nakaliang jonga kumangala jukip laba kumangala jura ya ka sur ka jong pi hapo ka dorbar thoan man kapor Mandaru kumju kat ngidang long kani ka dorbar thoan ngin rabiang ya kichinge jongpi bangin pensawajur khamjur ban ya kai ba ikren ibaran bai menta khamjur shosho apo ka dorbar thoan namal ngi kwa bakane ka sarkar kade ban le ai bakane ka sarkar but menteri bade pej ya education uday bon sngap ya ki jing dawa ki jongpi yimtep ke ga don ke jing andre habadon kamon menteri lese don kalat kalenti banwanra ya ka solution inget bahagini kisngi naru lasai bat haru lasisngi ngidon kapor ka baki don ka motion ka bangilabu tangi mta jongpi ni paro kumne kumbangi layar wan runkat hangne ngine shimbanda hakani ka motion kabangila ai ka subject plight of teachers in Meghalaya.